Oh my gosh, tinanong din po ako kanina nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. Siyempre, very thankful, pero siyempre, I'm continuously doing my best to earn that title. Siyempre, di ba? So, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta. And I will do my best. I will do my best to prove that I'm deserving of that title. Yun po. Nakakahiya naman. Nakakahiya naman yun.
No, pero syempre deserve ni Bel Mariano, ang Gen Z superstar. Okay, now let's go to the next question. What are your music goals for 2026? So, nasabi mo lang kanina, gusto mong magsulat pa, di ba? Ano pa ang mga music goals mo? Grammy, ganyan.
Why not? Siyempre, for my music to be recognized more, siyempre. Ang ganda kasi yung mga writers, yung mga composers ng song, ng music na nirelease ko sa album. As in, puno ng puso yung album. So I feel like they deserve to be recognized more.
Collab, aside from Olivia, local. Sino gusto mo mga collab?
Cup of Joe, yeah, dami. Ang dami. On top of my head, Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe.
Yeah.
Ano favorite mo Cup of Joe song? Bakit gusto mo sila
Ang ganda lang nung feels nila. Ang ganda nung pati never pa ako nagkaganong type of collab. Bini too!
Oh,
Yeah!
ikaw yung sasayaw, gano'n?
Why not? Joke lang. Hindi, cute diba? Nakaka-LSS din yung music nila.
Okay, Beanie and Cup of Joe.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to our next question. Can you share your story about, your dream house? By the way, congratulations din sa yung dream house. Sobrang ganda.
Sa house, grabe yung, syempre, whenever I go home, parang sobrang, kahit pagod na pagod ka na whole day, parang ang sarap na nakakauwi ako sa house na yun, and I'm just so grateful for it. As in, sobrang, it really feels like home. And what's so nice about it is, parang every area may sari-sariling theme. Kasi syempre, 5 kami magkakapatid. So parang yung mga kapatid ko, may sarili silang mood sa kwarto nila. Parang may mood board sila sa Pinterest, gano'n. So parang iba-iba yung feel niya every room, which is so nice. Kasi parang it makes it home.
Binigyan mo ba sila ng ganong choice? Like, sila yung
Yeah, of
design
course,
sa
it's
sarili
their
nila.
room. So, syempre sila yun. So, ang ganda lang, like yung brother ko, mahilig sa football, ganyan. So, room niya talaga, alam mo na yung itsura. Tapos yung sister ko namang isa, like favorite color niya pink. So, very ano siya.
Yung sa'yo, ano yung theme nung sa'yo?
Very earth tones. I like earth tones. It makes me relax. So parang gusto ko kasi whenever I enter my room, parang gusto kong makapag-rest ako agad. So very earth tones, very beige. Ayan. Para if ever ibahin ko man yung itsura niya in the future, pwede ko ibahin.
madali.
Diba? Very madali siyang baliin.
Yes. Kung meron kang favorite spot in your whole house, what would it be?
We have this room sa bahay, parang nandun yung TV. Tapos dun kaming lahat ng siblings ko. Favorite spot ko siya na. I usually say banyo ko din. Mahilig yan, totoo. Kasi sobrang tinutukan ko yung banyo ko. Like sabi ko, like parang gusto ko may tub na maayos, maganda, gano'n. So, ayun. And yung TV area namin kasi that's the area where my family and I usually hang out. So, very cozy.
Cozy, common area for
Yes.
everyone. Okay. Thank you so much. Ito naman ang ating next question. After the success of Meet, Greet, and Buy, again, palakpakan guys, Meet, Greet, and Buy, which is now on Netflix,
Thank you so
yes?
much.
Do you see yourself doing more drama or family movies?
Yes, why not? Siyempre, parang, like, I'm all for learning. I want to learn more sa acting. So hopefully in the future, we get to put more stories like that. Diba?
And sino nga ang gusto mo makasama, if ever, sa... Kasi, syempre, nakasama mo na ang mga bigating actors.
Ay, no, grabe. Wow.
Marcel Soriano.
Judy Ann.
Judy Ann Santos.
Sino pa ba? Ang dami kasi.
You
parang
never
lahat
worked with Miss Judy Ann?
No. Sana in the future, but you know, I want to work with, kasi I feel like everyone I work with, I learn from them. So, I want to work work with everyone. Yes.
Miss Judy Ann Santos, kung nanonood po kayo. Gusto po kayo matagal, Miss Bel Mariano. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Miss Janice Navida, Entertainment Editor
Hi
of
po.
Bulgar.
Ang cute nung ano niya.
I
Ah,
did this
diba?
Ate Beach.
Yung pa namin pinong po na yan, oo. Ang kagalang-galang.
Oh, anyway, Belle, oo. I just want to ask kasi, di ba, yung mga kasabayan mo, some choose to go sexy. Ikaw, I wanna know, why did you choose to take this path, yung music, i-pursue yung music, rather than go sexy?
Well, ever since po kasi, I feel like my heart is really drawn to music. Since I grew up na po listening to video and I used to sing, like I remember whenever I sing, naalala ko yung lolo ko. So parang, kasi kaming dalawa lagi magka-jamming sa video okay. So parang it's not just my dream, I'm also pursuing his dream. So that's why I chose this direction, because it's really in my heart po.
Mhm. Pero if given a chance to play the role of Jezebel, since ang name is Belle, willing ka ba?
Jezebel! Oo nga naman, Bel.
Grabe naman! Wow, nga, Nobel. Why not? If ever, why not po? You know, my doors are always open. Kaya nga ng katang pintuan, kung ano para sa'yo, magbubukas po yung pintong yun.
Mahilig ka ba mag-swimming?
Yes, yeah. Kaya ko mag-swimming.
So kaya?
Kaya ko mag-swimming.
Jezebel?
Hindi
Parang may gusto siya sabihin, pero hindi.
hindi ko alam. Like, parang, syempre, that the role is so, it's really known. So, syempre, if ever sa akin mapunta, syempre, I'll be thankful for it. And I will do my best to give justice to the role po.
Willing kang mag-topless?
Topless? Grabe!
May buhok na
Parang hindi naman topless yun.
May shells na
Yun.
yun. Si Jezebel.
May shells naman siya.
Pero yun, willing ka mag-shells.
I'll know po once it's there. CGI. AI? Hindi, why not? I mean, if it's really for me, syempre, and I feel like I'm the type of actor naman that will give my all to the role.
Ayan. And when it comes to music, syempre nakagawa ka na ng album. Narinig na ba ni Donnie itong mga songs mo?
Yes! At nasa ano siya ngayon eh, sa ibang bansa siya ngayon eh. So siguro pagbalik niya, papaano ko sa kanya But he knows that, he knows about the album.
Mhm. May somehow ba may fear? Kasi ano siya, di ba, naging judge siya ng Pilipinas Got Talent?
Oh,
O, di ba?
audition!
Bakit
Hindi naman. You know, what I like about him, he's very thoughtful and if he has comments, super well thought of talaga. So he's very insightful.
Kumakanta rin si Donnie, right?
Yes, yes.
So, walang chance na mag-duet kayo sa next,
Well, so far, wala pa po kaming napag-usapan. But maybe po in the future, we can do a collaboration.
ayun.
Sa movie, di ba? Sige po, sabi.
And project together, wala pa rin plano.
Saan?
Project together.
We actually have po, tayo sa wakas. Yes po.
Yung movie?
Yes po, yes.
Coming. Okay, good luck. Belle.
Thank you so much po.
Okay, ito na from online also. Thank you so much, Miss Janice. Netizens are excited for your movie comeback. Ito na, speaking of movie comeback with Donnie. What type of Don Bell will people expect from this movie? Okay, sige.